see the guns?
Yep. If you want all three in it, you need to go to your right, or your left. My bad. Your left, your left.
Are we good?
Yeah.
You recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to episode number 2 of my summer contest series. I'm standing here aboard the USS Iowa, where in a few hours I'll be competing in the world famous shrimp eating contest against the likes of Joey Chestnut, Gideon Oji, Michelle Lesco, Adrian Morgan, and a bunch of others. It's gonna be a blast. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just picked up the rental, got a charger. Not quite like the one I have back home, but she'll do. So what's the verdict? Wrapping up a 45-minute walk on the treadmill. It's like 4 in the morning, but whatever it takes, baby. So one of the big questions coming into this trip was, how are you going to handle a second contest in less than 48 hours? The short answer is self-discipline and water. On the self-discipline side, I'm restricting solid foods. Normally after a contest, I'll grab pizza or ice cream or both, or something just to kind of celebrate the event. But between the able skiver eating contest on Saturday and the shrimp eating contest today, I've basically only had all liquids, other than like maybe 3 protein bars, but that's negligible. Basically, I'm trying not to eat anything that will hang around and take up space. And that leads to the water aspect of things. So all 58 of the able skivers I ate on Saturday are still floating around in here somewhere. So I've been downing lots of water to help the digestion process and try to push it on through. I literally had 3 liters of water on the way home from the able skiver contest on Saturday, and I had like 2 gallons yesterday in total, so I've been drinking a lot of water. But yeah, that's been my recovery game plan. We'll see how it works out. Hopefully I'm ready and hungry today, but the contest is in like a couple hours, so we'll just have to wait and see.
Before we get the introduction of the eaters underway, and we'll, oh good lordy, they are absolutely enormous. I'm going to hold one of these up. Here's how this contest is going to work. It's an 8-minute contest. In each of these bowls is 1 pound of delicious seasoned San Pedro Fish Market shrimp. 11 of these mighty, mighty shrimp to a pound bowl. Our eaters will consume 1 bowl, move on to the second, stack their bowls. You will see a variety of techniques during the contest. But before, are you ready to meet our contestants? From Normal, Illinois, give it up for Mr. Matthew Hazzard. Number 50 in the world from Dallas, Texas, you will salute Alex the Moose Perez. Ranked number 46 in the world from Los Angeles, I give you Douglas X. I give you world number 47, Ms. Mary Bowers. Ranked number 30 in the world from Torrance, California, I give you Mr. John Bello. Ranked number 16 in the world from Dixon, California, Mr. Stephen Hendry. World number 13 from Henderson, Nevada, Rich the Locust LeFevre. 9 in the world, the great Michelle Lesco. Ranked number 7 in the world, the great Adrian Morgan. Ranked number 6 in the world, from Zaria, Nigeria, Gideon the Truth Oji. Ranked number 1 in the world, from San Jose, Joey Chestnut. 4 words for you. Let the contest begin! Eaters, are you ready? San Pedro, California! Are you ready? Well, if that is accurate and true, you will help me in the time-honored tradition. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! This is an 8-minute contest. They are off and racing, ladies and gentlemen. "30 seconds down, ladies and gentlemen. 8 minutes does not sound like much, but it is no sprint. Mark my words. In the early stages of the event, Joey Chestnut already got 1 pound down, as does Adrian Morgan, ladies and gentlemen. Do not sleep on the rabbit. We call him the rabbit because he eats with a tenacity. Born and raised in Louisiana, originally from Baton Rouge, which sounds fancy, but it's just French for red stick, so don't really give it much mind. Now from New Orleans, Louisiana, where he works as a chef, he's loving these seasoned, delicious, world-famous San Pedro fish market shrimp. Ryan Puigno already breaking up the shrimp. He's finding the size of the shrimp problematic. Michelle Lesco reaching for her debris. Joey working on his 2nd pound. As is Adrian Morgan. Joey is the cocktail shrimp eating champion of the world with over 15 pounds of cocktail shrimp. The cookness and the size of these shrimp, absolutely perfect for competition, but perhaps even greater in a civilian environment. Enjoy perhaps at San Pedro Fish Market, just down the road, home to the world's greatest seafood. 2 minutes down, eaters, 6 minutes to go. You can see Joey using the water. You can see he's using that bottled water, and he's using his powerful jaws to work on these giant-sized shrimp. 2.5 minutes down, eaters. 5.5 to go. $4,000 on the line here today, ladies and gentlemen. Joey's working on pound number 4. Adrian Morgan is close behind. Adrian Morgan appears to be... Oh! But let me not sleep on Gideon Oji. Already walking on pound number 4. Steve Hendry Look at the different techniques you're seeing here. Steve Hendry using the hands before he goes to the teeth. While he's chewing one mouthful, he's busying himself with his hands. Three and a half down, 4.5 to go, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that's 5 pounds down for Chestnut. That is not an official count, and I don't want Chestnut to be misguided by my comments. I want him to stay focused and in a rhythm. Adrian Morgan, using his experience as a lifetime Louisianan. This shrimp are proving challenging to our eaters. We've crossed the 4-minute mark, eaters. 3 minutes and 45 seconds to go. We're over the halfway point. There's no point in turning home, ladies and gentlemen. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, the human struggle apparent in every compression of the jaw. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the jaw strength, the power from the eaters in the center of the table. Chestnut working hard and forging ahead, it would seem. But we still have, ladies and gentlemen, 3 minutes to go. San Pedro, you are enormously quiet. Help us bring it home. I want to look in on Gideon Oji. Gideon Oji, all the way from Zaria, Nigeria, ranked number 6 in the world. Our eaters are moving at 110% effort. It's mathematically improbable, but I just checked it on my iPhone. That is what I'm tracking here. On the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Joey Chestnut forging ahead with every compression of the jaw, every mouthful of water, every exerted piece of effort. $4,000 on the line, but more importantly, the first ever title of the San Pedro Fish Market World Famous Shrimp Eating Championship. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, the San Pedro Fish Market World Famous Shrimp are teaching life lessons, ladies and gentlemen. Life lessons here on the stage. As we approach 90 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen, and 90 seconds to glory! Help them bring it home, ladies and gentlemen! These eaters, it's as though they're a mile 20 of the marathon! The heart says no, the mind says no, the body says no, but the human will to forge ahead, despite better instincts, despite the odds of success. They are reaching deep within themselves, and they're finding a special place, and that place is competitive eating glory, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute to go! 1 minute to go! I want to begin on Michelle Lesco. Michelle Lesco appears to be working on the outlet of the flight. 40 seconds to go, eaters! Which LeFevre, what do you have left in you, brother? With your fetching millennial-style jeans, which I love. I could never fit into them. I'm a 36. 20 seconds to go, eaters. 20 seconds. Help them bring it home, San Pedro. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop eating! Stop! Stop eating! Stop! 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 Stop eating! applause for all our contestants. 4 in that, so that's 7.
So 3 plus 7.
33 plus 7 is 43. 33 plus 7 is 43. We have a tie for 5th place, ladies and gentlemen. They will share $100. That means they get $50 each. Rich LeFevre, what are you doing down there talking to your beautiful wife, Carleen? All right, Rich, this man tied for 5th. He gets 50 bucks, 38. So did Steve Hendry, ladies and gentlemen. In 4th place, ladies and gentlemen, with 43.5 shrimp, Michelle Lesco, ladies and gentlemen. In 3rd place, with 56 shrimp, $600 richer, the great Adrian Morgan, ladies and gentlemen. Your winner with 77 San Pedro Fish Market shrimp in 8 minutes. Joey Chestnut! Gideon Oji, 74.
Post-contest thoughts?
Overall, it's pretty good. Hey, it was a good contest though. It tasted good. Yeah, sure. Well, I think one of the best food I've had on the road, yeah. And every day you get to beat Adrian Morgan, you're winning.
I got a little time. I got 5 weeks. I got a little time.
Yeah. Hey, you beat me Hooters last year.
I did.
Yeah, that was good.
And I'll beat you.
I figured it out. I saw you like biting into faces, and that's how I figured it out. But at the beginning, I was just trying to throw a bunch of.
At the beginning, I was just trying to shove it down.
Yeah, but
You couldn't shove it down like this, you know.
That's pretty good.
The St. Louis eat twice as much.
Hey, I'd rather good. The shrimp are good.
Yeah.
So I ended up getting 5th place with 40 shrimp in 8 minutes. It was a blast. The shrimp were huge. They were delicious though, seasoned perfectly. It was great to finish in the top 5 with such an elite field, so really happy about that. And it was a lot of fun meeting the other eaters as usual, so that was awesome. And now we have a few days to enjoy California before the World Donut Eating Championship in Hollywood coming up in just a few days on Friday. So looking forward to that one. As always, go ahead and like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in a few days at the Donut Eating Contest.
Thank you to the USS Iowa, to the Kings of Fish, to San Pedro Fish Market, to our beautiful Air Force, our servicemen and women. Thank you, and may God continue to bless the United States of America. Thank you, and good night.